It's just money. We won't miss it when we're dead. All right, Thrashin made the liquor cabinet. They're moving up in the world.
Maybe now that I'm a customer, I can get the Thrashin boys in a challenge for who's got the best Mexican food, Texas or California.
I actually went to Loctite school, if you want to know.
Did you really?
Yeah. It's like doing the hokey pokey.
Oh, it goes right in neutral. Somebody must have been absent on lug nut day.
It'd make that oil change you did a whole lot easier the other day than laying on our fat old bellies.
Yeah, I know.
J-Lo had her ass insured. Do yourselves a huge favor. Don't ever buy this liquid no more.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay.
Alrighty. Well, howdy folks, welcome back. My name's Jack, I'm the bogey biker. And today, we got a few new parts in the mail for Smokey here, my 2021 Road Glide Limited. Now, I bought these, so don't misunderstand. I got a few things from Thrashin Supply, so let's open it up and see what we got. Like the bag. I really enjoy watching those guys, and what I really like is seeing Lance. I mean, that's a younger guy that seems to have created a really great business outside of the YouTube stuff that he does, which they're really good at. I admire the business that he's created. Seems like he's worked really hard at it, so I enjoy watching them and supporting them when I can. First thing we got is the new shifter linkage. My understanding is that's one of the parts that it's not a matter of if it'll break, but when it'll break on the stock Harleys. So we got that. They're packaged really well. Cool boxes. Looks like the shift lever. Cool. Ordered these straight off their website and probably got them in less than a week, something like that. Wrong side, dum-dum. And the easy shift arm, I guess you call that. Looks really cool with the Thrashin logo there. I like it. I like it a lot. And the last piece is I'm rolling the dice here a little bit, but the shifter peg, the red shifter peg, to hopefully match everything else on the bike. My buddy Jason's on his way down. We're gonna maybe have a beer and get these put on. Let's do it. Okay, it's kind of cool that they send a little sticker in every package, a different sticker. And based on what I've seen on the YouTubes, I think this is the tools that I need. It shouldn't be too difficult.
One shot of your favorite bourbon in your little deal, strawberry lemonade.
Never heard of that.
I just made it today.
Well, we'll give it a shot. I think the first thing,
We gotta pull this off her.
I think that's 7/16.
Oh yeah, that's an easy one. Oh yeah, this would be a simple job here. I guess it's in neutral.
No, it's not. Should it be?
I don't know, but it don't matter.
It's not, because I pulled it up on my
You stand?
condor, since I don't have a lift, but I figured that'd make it a little bit easier.
Oh yeah. I wish we had a lift.
Yeah.
It'd make that oil change you did a whole lot easier
No, I
the other
know.
day than laying on our fat old bellies.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Just take the whole linkage out.
Yeah,
Okay, there's your shifter linkage. All right. Let's take this one off. Try not to beat your horn up too bad.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. That was all of 5 seconds.
Yeah.
That come off like that. I need to put this one on like this. We can make adjustments later if need be.
Guess we could get out the instructions, but that's no fun.
No. Instructions are
We're
overrated.
gonna like.
Yeah, I would think that we need to index this thing the right way, that how you want it before we start Loctiting anything.
Yeah, because it's adjustable once you get it all together, but you want to kind of get it close.
Yeah, so And then this can go any direction that you want to get it adjustable. All right, let's go ahead and put your, now we can Loctite this. Has that been cut open or do you know?
Yeah, that one is.
Oh yeah. I actually went to Loctite school, if you want to know.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What'd they teach you in
Oh
Loctite
gosh,
school?
not to do that.
Yeah.
You actually just put it down one side.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to drown it and
Yeah.
all that good stuff. Does it matter how you want to? Yeah, it does. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, 20 years as an industrial mechanic. They sent us to Loctite school. I thought it was stupid when I went, but it ended up actually being pretty cool. For all y'all watching, do yourselves a huge favor. Don't ever buy this liquid shit no more. They come in a stick, and it's like a glue stick with Loctite.
Oh, really?
And it don't drip all over you like I did a while ago on my leg. You just rub the bolt on it, or just take your bolt and spin it in it, and you don't have this dripping problem getting this stuff everywhere.
Oh, huh.
So everybody just watching that knows anything about Loctite, look for the paste, not for the gun. We got that on there. The thing that I like about these is I want the brake and the floor pans that they make.
Oh, that's next. I
The
think.
brake is, I think that's cool to get that brake lower and out of your way, and that's pretty neat.
Just money.
It's just money. We won't miss it when we're dead. This will all have to be adjusted.
The linkage is adjustable, so you
Well,
can,
before I tighten this one, let me get that linkage. The reason you're changing this is because this was too high, right?
No, the reason I'm changing is because they say this is the #1 failure on all the bikes is that junky shifter linkage.
This one, I'm gonna go ahead and Loctite the back one.
Your Loctite school reminds me, of course, a lot of things remind me of the Ron White joke, but when he went to pick up his car from Sears and Roebuck and got new tires, and he was leaving the parking lot and the wheel fell off. It fell off. It fell the fuck off. He said, tire college for 3 days. Somebody must have been absent on lug nut day.
Sears, I found out later, had sent him to tire college for 3 days. Well, apparently he was sick on lug nut day.
All right.
That goes on the back side, right?
Yeah, and that does. That's it. Just a little bit on one side, ladies and gentlemen. You hear that torque wrench with my wrist pop?
Yeah, about 11.
About 22 newton meters. Now then, the only adjustment you gotta have is your foot as to where you want this. These boots are made for riding.
Maybe I'll get me maybe I need to get my legs insured by, like, who was that actress that did that?
J-Lo had her ass insured.
Well, try not to step on tools.
Maybe you ought to get that insured.
Yeah. That's pretty good right there.
I thought it'd be about right.
I'm gonna see if I can put her in neutral.
I think I clicked the gear up or two. You need to come down a
It is
few.
in neutral.
Was it easier?
Yeah. Yeah, it goes right in neutral. Usually it's up, down,
Oh,
up,
it's
down.
up, down, up, down, up, down.
Huh.
It's like doing the hokey pokey.
Oh, it goes right in neutral.
No kidding.
Yeah.
You're gonna make me spend damn money.
Yeah.
Pretty amazing. You actually get it right into neutral. Huh. There's neutral. You gotta go all the way up to get second. Down into neutral and easy.
Oh, I haven't tried down in the neutral.
Oh,
but
it just
Yeah.
flopped right in there.
Yeah.
Get on down. Neutral, second, neutral, bird. Who'd have thought changing 10, 15 degrees make that big
Yeah.
difference? Yeah, that's fancy. That matches your badge to the T.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. A little more pop. You got to coordinate.
Got
You got to coordinate.
mushroom suspenders, mushroom belt.
Mushroom belt.
The secret is you got to coordinate. Most people don't coordinate. See, you got to coordinate.
Yes, that's what you did.
You saw me, you saw the mushroom shirt.
Mushroom shirt.
Bang, mushroom shirt.
Mushroom shirt.
But see, you can't stop with the mushroom shirt. You
I
gotta
would've-
go on.
I'd have stopped that shirt.
No, you gotta keep going.
Okay.
Now, let me show you something. Look at that.
Oh, you got on a mushroom belt.
All right, pardon the dirty bite. There it is. So that's the Thrashin Supply linkage, easy shift, shifter lever, and shifter peg. Maybe now that I'm a customer, I can get the Thrashin boys in a challenge for who's got the best Mexican food, Texas or California. So if you're a Thrashin watcher, why don't you help me out a little bit and see if we can't get them down here. I will say all the packaging was nice, and they sent a sticker with each part. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna have to add that to my wall in various places.
We're gonna put it on a
Yeah.
liquor cabinet.
Yeah,
I want that one there. I think that's the best one.
yeah, bigger on.
It's round like the rest of them.
Yeah.
All right, Thrashin made the liquor cabinet. They're moving up in the world.
All right, well, thank y'all for watching. I'm not the best install video guy, but with Jason here, it makes things go a lot easier because I can film and he can do all the real work. And thanks again for all the comments on the last video of my 1-year anniversary. Jason, it was me and you on the first video a year ago yesterday.
Was it? We was making
When we
the.
went to the Horny Toe, that was the first video we made, yeah.
Yep, and then
Yeah.
we built the golf bag holders.
Yeah,
and
I
all
got some
kinds of
comments
stuff.
on that one, yeah.
Yeah,
So,
been a fun time.
yeah, it has. So if you hadn't seen some of those first videos, they're pretty terrible from my end, but we had a good time making them. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay.